インドからシカンタです。みんな、お元気でしょうか？はい、元気だと思います。で、Hello everyone, I'm Sukanto, your free Japanese language tutor from India. तो सबको नमस्ते, सब कैसे हो? सब अच्छे हो? मुझे लगता है सब अच्छे हो और सही से जापानीज स्टडी कर रहे हो. सो सबको धन्यवाद मेरा वीडियो देखने के लिए. और ये वीडियो भी मैं अपने यूट्यूब चैनल पे अपलोड करूँगा और फेसबुक में भी अपलोड करूँगा और इंस्टाग्राम में भी. तो आप अगर ये वीडियो फेसबुक से देख रहे हो तो कृपया आप मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल विजिट करिए. वहाँ से प्लेलिस्ट से आपको पूरा JLPT N5 का और जो बिगिनर है जापानीज लैंग्वेज का पूरा वीडियो आपको मिल जाएगा. सो रिगार्डिंग दिस, टुडे वी वांट टू लर्न द बॉडी पार्ट्स व्हाट इट्स कॉल्ड इन जापानीज. So actually why I'm laughing to me myself, actually I'm not good at drawing, so I've tried my best but I could not draw full body. So here, as you can see over there, so we are going to learn the body parts what it's called in Japanese. So have you practiced the numbering page? So in screen also, as you can see the numbering. If you missed the previous video, so you can take the screenshot from here. If you are watching from mobile, you can easily take the screenshot, and if you are watching from your desktop or your laptop, you can easily take the print screen. Okay, so for your easy reference, as you can see over there in the screen, the numbering page are there. Okay, then let's start. This, as you can see, I have tried my best to draw the picture but it's like a joke. So as you can see over there, this is called kami. Kami means hair. Kami means hair. Okay, and this is atama. Atama means head. Atama means head. This is mimi. Mimi means ear. Mimi, जहाँ से हम लोग सुनते हैं ये कान बोलते हैं, उसको हम जापानीज लैंग्वेज में मिमी बोलते हैं. एंड दिस इज मे. मे मीन्स आइज. मे मीन्स आइज. ओके, मे. दिस इज hana. Hana means nose. Nose. Hana means nose. Okay. This is node. Node means throat. Node means throat. Nodo means throat. And this is kuchi. Kuchi means mouth. Mouth. And this is called kuchibiru. Okay. This is called kuchibiru. Ha. Teeth. It's called ha. Ha means teeth. Like this. This is te. This is called ubi. Ubi means finger. Te means hand. Te means hand. Ubi means finger. Okay, this is te. This is ubi. Okay, so like this. Ude means arm. Okay, so mune means chest. Mune means chest. Like this, you can see the full page in the screen. And after this video as well, I will upload this page for your easy reference. From there you can take the screenshot and you can do the printout for your easy reference. So as you can see over there, that in the board I taught you some portion over there. For full body reference, I'll give you the page from there, as you can see in the screen as well. As you can see in the screen as well, the portion is pasted over there. So from there, kami, atama, mimi, kuchibiru, ha, okay, hana, like this. All these things you can learn from there. So please do practice from yourself. Thank you so much. I think this video will not be too long, so it will be very easy reference for you as well to learn Japanese language and to learn how it's called in body parts. Thank you.